welcome to the deep dive. Today we're plunging into Azure AI Services, specifically vision, speech, and language. Our mission really is to show you how these powerful, ready-to-use AI capabilities are now within reach for pretty much anyone, allowing you to instantly inject intelligence into your software without needing to be, an AI guru.
Yeah, it's quite a shift, isn't it, when you think about the complexity, the sheer effort of building AI models from scratch. That used to need huge teams, specialized PhDs, and now Microsoft has sort of bottled that expertise, made it accessible almost like a utility.
Like plugging something in.
Exactly. It really democratizes innovation. We've gone from, I need to build an AI brain, to just, I need to plug one in.
Okay, so let's unpack that a bit.
Yeah.
Fundamentally, Azure AI Services are what? A set of pre-configured intelligence models.
Think of them like specialized processing units ready to go, sitting in the cloud. You just connect your app to them.
So it's not about learning the deep algorithms yourself.
Not at all. It's about making your software see, hear, understand using simple commands, these things called APIs.
Right, the programming interfaces. And the big win is the time and cost saving, I guess. No building from scratch.
Precisely. That's the game changer. And the integration is remarkably seamless.
How so?
These APIs are like direct lines. You send your data securely to Azure's cloud. It gets processed almost instantly using their massive infrastructure.
So it's like renting a supercomputer brain.
Kind of, yeah. But you only pay for what you actually use, a tiny fraction of the cost of owning it.
Which makes it viable for smaller teams or even individuals.
Absolutely. From big enterprises down to indie creators, it speeds everything up, prototyping, deployment.
So for you, the listener, this really means agility. Getting smart features out faster, focusing on your unique idea instead of the AI plumbing underneath.
It's a massive accelerator.
Okay, let's explore the pillars then, these sort of AI senses. Starting with vision, teaching computers to see.
Right. So imagine an app that doesn't just see a car, but knows the make and model.
Or like blurring faces or license plates in video automatically for privacy.
Exactly. Or tracking movement without actually identifying people. It's also the tech behind scanning receipts OCR, optical character recognition.
Pulling text from images. I use that all the time.
Yeah, or even things like checking for tiny defects on a production line that a human might miss.
And connecting that to the bigger picture. What does that enable?
Well, think about automation. Things that were super tedious, like accessibility apps describing photos for visually impaired users. That's huge.
Wow.
Or for businesses, maybe using cameras to count inventory automatically on shelves, cuts down manual work, improves accuracy.
Okay, next up, speech. This is all about audio, right?
Correct. Turning spoken words into text is the obvious one. Great for transcribing meetings.
And handles lots of languages.
Over 100, yeah. But it also goes the other way, making computers talk back. Text to speech.
In natural-sounding voices. Customizable ones.
Think sophisticated virtual assistants. And maybe the most powerful bit, real-time translation.
You mean like translating a live conversation?
Exactly. Spoken words, translated on the fly, breaking down those language barriers.
That really changes things, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Global collaboration, customer service.
Oh, definitely. Imagine a call center agent seamlessly handling calls in different languages, all transcribed and translated instantly.
Or live captions in meetings in everyone's language.
Makes things so much more inclusive.
All right, finally, language. Making sense of written text.
Yeah, understanding the meaning. Like, is this customer review positive or negative? That's sentiment analysis.
Okay.
Or pulling out key info names, dates, places from a huge document. That's entity recognition.
Useful for legal docs, maybe.
For sure. Or summarizing long reports into bullet points. And it's the core of smart chatbots, the ones that actually understand your questions.
Not just keyword matching.
Right, understanding nuance. This is critical for things like 247 customer service bots that only escalate the really tricky stuff.
Or analyzing social media trends, gauging public opinion.
Exactly. Quick, actionable insights from massive amounts of text data.
So if someone listening wants to try this,
Yeah.
how easy is it to get started? Sounds complex still.
Actually, it's surprisingly accessible. It's pay as you go, so you're not locked into big contracts.
And there's a free tier?
Yep. A generous free tier for experimenting. You sign up for a free Azure account, and you can even start with no-code tools.
No code, like drag and drop.
Pretty much. Azure AI Studio lets you visually connect these pre-built AI components. Build workflows without writing traditional code.
Okay, that does lower the barrier. But Any caveats? It can't be perfect, right?
No, AI isn't magic. It's powerful but not infallible. Performance depends heavily on the input data quality.
Garbage in, garbage out.
Essentially, blurry images, muffled audio that will impact results. And crucially, data privacy is key.
How does Microsoft handle that?
Well, they state that they delete your data after processing. Importantly, they don't use your specific data to retrain their main models.
So my data stays mine. I'm just renting the processing.
That's the idea. You need to handle it responsibly on your end too, of course. Use redaction for sensitive info, follow ethical guidelines, avoid misuse.
Right. So we've covered a fair bit today. Azure AI Services really making these advanced capabilities much more, well, reachable.
It really shows that AI democratization in action, you can build some incredibly smart applications now without needing that deep ML background yourself.
Okay, let's wrap up with our provocative thought for you to chew on.
Given how easy it's becoming to weave this advanced AI into almost anything, what new ethical responsibilities does that place on all of us as creators, as users? How do we ensure these tools are consistently used thoughtfully, ethically, and always, always protecting people's privacy?